Hello, this is the idea of bringing an RPG skill map to a professional context for project management. First, let's talk about the RPG skill map and its benefits. The RPG skill map, something like this. I don't know this, I just picked a random image from the internet. Imagine you're an alchemist, and this is where you start your development, and this is where you finish your development. And what you can see in the skill map is exactly what next steps you have to take. So in order to get here, you have to first go here, and then you have to go through these two steps, and then you can finally go here. You cannot take any shortcut. You cannot say, okay, I'm just going this way. It doesn't work, because this is a necessary, like, intermediate step to arrive at this location, right? And same being here, like if you want to go here, for example, you have a very clear view. You know, okay, you have to go this and this and this, and maybe you even need both of them, right? So you have a very clear vision. If you want to go here, what are the steps? What are the intermediate steps that you need to take? And also what you can see, imagine you already finished this one, and you finished this one, and you finished this one. You have a very clear vision of what are the next steps I can take. So the choices are, I could do this, I could do this, 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 or this, right? And depending on the goal you want to achieve, for example here, you would maybe choose to go this route instead of this route. So it's very clear with one blink of an eye what you have to do next. And why is this important? Because when you have, for example, I see this very often in open source projects, that especially when you have a lot of fluctuation, that new people coming in, and it's very difficult for them to grasp what are the next things to be done. Yeah, of course, like look at the issue tracker, just do a random bug, but it's not necessarily that easy in every case. And also going away from like open source code software, like maybe just go to volunteering if you want to manage volunteer projects. It's also very difficult to always like introduce new people. You have to brief them. They have to know what is the next step to be done. But if you have a map like this, let's make a little bit more of a tree structure here, maybe something like this. So my pen tablet is currently not connected to this computer, so stay with me with the drawings. And you know, okay, this is what we already achieved. Maybe this is also what we already achieved. If a new member comes into the game, they immediately know, okay, I can do this or this, or not, I cannot do this because this is not done, right? So it's very clear with one blink of an eye. And of course, if you keep your stats up to date, you can also see, okay, this is, I don't know, Mark is working on this, and John is also working on this, and Fred is also working on this. And on this is working like 1, 2, 3, 4, I don't know, some guys. And what was done so far, maybe this was done, this was done, this was done. Maybe we're also almost finished. Maybe this is 90% done. We're almost here. So maybe you could already think of maybe looking into this stuff, whatever this is going to be, because you know, okay, this is going to be finished, I don't know, in a couple of days. Hopefully, if you would have a map like this, you would remove all the, of course, not all the communication, but a lot of communication, redundant communication that needs to be done in order to brief the new people. And my hopes are that this might even be possible with something like Git, integrate something like this into not GitHub or GitLab, not into Git, but GitHub and GitLab. Integrate it with something like this, so you could also connect all this stuff to issues, issue trackers, bugs, features, everything. And this is basically just the visualization of all the issues and bugs and feature requests, right? That would be probably a very nice solution for that, but I'm not a GitLab developer. GitLab people, check it out. GitHub people, check it out. Okay, thanks for watching.